Rahul Gandhi aphan MP ang hoi pen ke pasu ningkan hinia jak hemkang sam ke bengji pulake BJP atum ke chok che pupen ke kham khesi pini Kopili Mondal Congress sa hemalong pherang ke mai kangni West Karbing Long District Socheng Block Congress Committee hian pen Rahul Gandhi aphan MP ang hoi pen ke pasun ningkan hinia jak hemkang sam ke beng hormu ador ke pasu chopangli maputhak chok che pusi mailong ningji pon rinti Digital India men pen radaphan kapalu GPay Paytm, PhonePe, lapuhay huelong anta anam ke endunji aphan kachisik pon. Lapen Karbiang long West Karbiang long adang pelong development akam ke claim pon pe lapuhay huel puthak Socheng Block Congress Committee atum pen phirang kemai phaponsi khamkhe pon.
Kedam tang non itu sing honai mate itu leaders Rahul Gandhi panal phan. Lalang kan ini sab suki chok che pen sang kan disqualify la sobang ini itu. Number 9 Amren Mondal Congress in bersamaan yang oil lah. Lapen alang liphan Laan disqualified nanti pandeng kali lek sampai laan disqualified dah, laki cok cek lah GP Sarkar mati lah Modi cari pun, yaitu Amren Mondal Congress Committee bengke yang pun thip lo, lapen Rahul Gandhi long sini tu Amren Mondal Congress Committee ban itu Amren Rat atum makan itu, alang lilong itu cikit hidi pen arjab itu inside the state, and we are together and we are with Rahul Gandhi and we will be always with him because he is a leader, he is a pillar, and Modi started targeting him because if Rahul Gandhi is once disqualified, then it will be easy for him in the coming assembly election. And also, today he is targeting Rahul Gandhi, and tomorrow will be the next. That is why it is time that we come together and let us fight for our right. Let us protect our democracy.
Labang Solong Socheng Block Congress Committee amaipu Bindra Rongpi Amreng Constituency Mondal Congress Committee amaipu Sarthi Ronghi West Karbing Long District Mohila Congress Committee amaipu Kareng Phangchupi Lapen Sevadol Pen Yuvaraj Pathakatum Chatongdun Kheruni Pen Mohanteron Karbing Long Live